picture, don't need a fight. Won't beg permission, just to live my life. I know what I'm building, I know my way. A man don't swerve 'cause of a woman's say. I ain't here to argue till the sun goes down. A house don't stand when the keeper tears it down. I don't need rebellion disguised by pretty smiles. I need peace at home, not daily tests and trials. If you can't change your girlfriend, change your girlfriend's son. You don't train a horse that don't wanna run. You don't lead a team that won't follow clear commands. Go find the one who already stands where you stand. Life's too short for constant resistance. If she won't follow, let her fade into the distance. I don't need a queen to steal my crown. Don't need a critic trying to run me down. Respect ain't forced, desire ain't taught. Choose sweet over stunning or you pay the cost. I ain't here to prove I'm a good enough man. I build my value with my own two hands. If she's a boss babe who fights for control, I look for another who knows a lady's role. If you can't change a girlfriend, change a girlfriend fast. Don't drag dead weight, you not to blame for her past. Pursue your purpose, stuck to your plan. A woman should help, not hinder the man. You don't argue leadership into existence. If she won't follow, let her fade into the distance. A good woman wants her man to lead, wants structure, strength, and certainty. If she resents it, fights it, tests every line. She's not yours, she's just wasting your time. I'll take a woman who brings me peace, who knows when to talk and when to cease, who don't confuse love with control, who adds to the mission, not blocks the goal. I won't sit around hoping she'll change someday. Men choose wisely or the price you will pay. You don't marry potential, you marry cold fact. And reality doesn't bend when feelings crack. If you can't change your girlfriend, cut your girlfriend off clean. No chaos, no guilt, no dramatic scene. Never negotiate for respect or your frame. Walk away and keep your name. They're not made for command, but real assistance. If she won't follow, let her fade into the distance.